do you know about the basics of the Bible? This video is perfect for anyone who's new to exploring Scripture. What exactly is the Bible? It is a collection of sacred texts considered holy by Christians. It's divided into two main sections, the Old Testament, which contains writings before the birth of Jesus, and the New Testament, which focuses on Jesus' life, teachings, and early Christian history. The Bible covers a wide range of topics, but some key themes include love, forgiveness, redemption, and the importance of faith. It's a rich tapestry of stories, poetry, wisdom literature, and teachings that offer guidance for life's journey. So, how do you actually read the Bible? Well, there's no right or wrong way, but here are a few tips to get you started. Choose a beginner-friendly translation, establish a regular reading routine, and engage with the text actively by asking questions, reflecting on the meaning, and applying it to your life. And there you have it, Bible basics in a nutshell. We hope this quick guide helps you feel more confident as you begin your journey with Scripture. Remember, it's okay to take it one step at a time, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy reading. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on faith, spirituality, and personal growth. Until next time, take care and God bless you.